Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is CryptoGhost and you are watching the official CryptoGhost channel, and in this video we'll be talking about the recent price action we are seeing right now on the Bitcoin charts. So if this is the first time you are watching, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to not miss out any important update. With that being said, guys, let's get started. So if you remember from our previous episode where I was talking about the possibility of us seeing a move to the upside during the weekend, I believe it was on Friday, and I was saying to you that we will see a move towards 24,000 during the weekend. Now here is what happened on Sunday. We've seen the attempt to break above 24,000. We already had an attempt that occurred on Wednesday, the 25th of January. We've already tried to break towards 24,000 right here. Now this move right here wasn't successful and we had a major rejection. And if you look closely, you can see that this rejection was a 1 hour candle. So it was already a major rejection right here. We started going sideways, and then on Sunday we had the second attempt to break towards 24,000, and as you can see, this was a failure. And by the way, I want to welcome everyone who joined Ghost Vision. Congratulations, this is the best move you've made in your life. So everyone who was watching the charts, like I was saying, that we will see indications on the indicator that will suggest that the price is overextended and is due for a pullback, which is what you can see right here on Ghost Vision 2. A red dot means change in direction. And as you can see, the yellow waves are changing from the bullish region right here to the bearish region. They are changing sides. We are moving from bullish zone to a bearish zone right here. And you already had a warning on the 1 hour time frame that shit is about to hit the fan. So this is the first signal we are seeing. The next signal we have is on Ghost Vision 3. We have the strength line curving down. So when there is bearish momentum, it's curving down. When there is bullish momentum, it's curving to the upside. And after we've had those bearish indications on the indicator, only after then we've started seeing this decline in the market. So Ghost Vision 3 pre-run already the move and started showing us the bearish indications around 23,700. Ghost Vision 2 around 23,650 when the red candle closed here. So everyone who is already using the indicator and paying attention to those indications on the chart, you are already on your path to success, my friends. And if we go even towards the smaller time frames, you can see those M patterns and W patterns that are playing out here. Let me show you. Right here, you can see the M. We have the first hump right here, and then we have a second hump, which is a little bit smaller than the first hump. As I saw it live on the charts, I already knew shit is about to hit the fan. Even without looking at Ghost Vision 2 and 3, which already give me this extra confirmation. Right here, you can see a red dot. Right here on Ghost Vision 3, we have another indication. So I already knew that we are going to retest 23,000. That's why I have this line here. And I was waiting for this move to occur. Now don't worry, we'll zoom out to the bigger time frame and we'll take a look at the big picture. We'll be checking the higher time frames in a moment. So like I'm showing you here, this was the first M that played out, had a major crash to the downside right here. And tell me if you can see already in the charts the second M pattern right here. We had the first hump right here, the second hump right here. And once we broke this line, Shit hit the fan. We had another move to the downside. So if you were paying attention to these indications, this whole move to the downside didn't affect you at all, as you already knew what's gonna happen. Or at least you had seen that there are a lot of bearish indications on the charts, and this should have been your warning to stay out from any high leverage trades on the markets right now. Let's go into the weekly time frame and let's zoom in into the charts here. As you can see, we had 1, 2, 3, 4 green wicks here for Bitcoin, and now we have one red wick. That's normal. I believe we'll be going sideways this week, and at some point we'll start heading up again. Don't forget, traditional markets also had a major pullback today, as they were having a lot of upside momentum in Friday. So what we saw today, major pullbacks in traditional markets, in Bitcoin. Looking at the daily time frame for Bitcoin, we are getting exhausted here, and we are also overextended. So there are two possibilities. Either we come down very soon to test this trend line at around 21,230. Yes, friends, this is very possible that we will come down very soon and touch this trend line. The other possibility is that we'll be going sideways in between 22,500 and 23,000 for a few more days, consolidating in this region here, and then we see another move and we see another attempt to break towards 24,000. But from what I'm seeing on the charts, I don't believe we'll see this move today or tomorrow. Maybe towards the end of the week we'll see another attempt to break towards 24,000. So before I finish the video, here is my message to you. You have two choices. One, you can ignore everything I say. You try to do this on your own, lose all of your money to the market and go back to where you started. And the second option, you say, Crypto Ghost, you have the best trading indicator. I'm going to use your indicator. I'm going to be a winner. I'm going to change my life.